Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix errors and improve key mapping in Free Fire on LDPlayer. First, open LDPlayer. While it's loading, go to the settings and set the resolution to maximum. This will match your monitor size. I am skipping this part because it will make the game full screen. But make sure you set the maximum resolution before doing anything else. Next, open Free Fire and go to the settings. In the HUD section, select HUD tree. Then go to the control and set the left 5 button to always. After that, open the key mapping settings in LDPlayer. Select trigger at left or default. Also make sure to untick show key mapping, then save your settings and start the match. If you forgot your key mapping, just press F12 and you will see all the assigned keys. You can also set trigger at left from the drop-down menu. This will help improve your gameplay and fix key mapping issues. Now you are ready to enjoy the game. I hope this video helps you. If it does, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.